Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can drop a shadow in Affinity Designer. So what you'll need to do is basically upload your image, and basically what you'll need to do is go right here for the layer effects, click on that one, and make sure that you're clicking on the layer that you want to add drop a shadow, and right here basically click on layer effects, and when you're right here you can just click on outer shadow and you can edit that right here. You can select blend mode, radius, offset, and intensity, of course. So let's say I want to choose my angle, of course radius, and the offset a little bit. And as you can see, that's how you can do an outer shadow. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.